Hello everyone, it's New Year's Eve today. I'm just getting ready. We're going to the Asian shop. It's called Global. We're gonna buy a spring roll wrap there, like yung wrapper. Yeah, I went to 3 shops yesterday in here. You know, they're local shops. Wala silang lumpia wrapper talaga. So sa Asian shop ko lang talaga matatagpuan yun. So you know, I've been trying to avoid going there because it's a bit far, but we do have no choice because I'm gonna make a spring roll later, yung lumpia Shanghai tonight. Parang food na rin namin for New Year's Eve. At siguro I'm gonna make a leche flan or ang leche flan o yung pork ribs. So see how it goes kung may time pa ako, guys. So yeah, I'm just getting ready. Tapos yeah, last night I was making a leche flan para handa namin mamaya. And then may mga fruits na rin ako, guys. 12 kinds of fruits, lahat round, lahat 12 ba o 13? Siguro may 13 ako. It doesn't matter. Basta may fruits na ako. Diba sa Filipino, meron tayong mga beliefs na you have to prepare 12 kinds of round fruits para prosperity for the new year, diba? So yeah, come with me, guys. Asian Shop Global. I'm here in Global. I'll show you what's in my bag, guys. Yan, dato puti, soy sauce and vinegar. Combo na siya, so it's a value. And what I've got, I'm gonna make fruit salad tonight. Kaong. And then I've got some coconut. Cheese curls. Meron akong lumpia wrapper. Meron akong sinigang sa sampalok mix. Ano pa rito? Ito nga pala yung coconut ko. Coconut syrup para sa fruit salad. Tapos, bumili din ako nito. Pepperu. Ano pa? Partner ng lumpia Shanghai is the sweet chili sauce. Yan. Yan lang binibili ko, guys. Tapos bibili na lang ako ng fruit cocktail mamaya. Maginaw rito. Dahil warehouse nga naman eh. Tingnan niyo. Ay, bumili nga pala ako ng steamed bananas din. Gusto na ba yun? Nasa ilalim. Mamaya na lang, guys. Yes. Our simple New Year's Eve separation. New Year's Eve preparation. Yan. Sweets, fruits, lumpia Shanghai. What is this? Like a prawn tagliatelle fruit salad, leche flan. Tatlo lang naman kami rito. So yan ang food namin. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Tapos na kami kumain. Nabusog ako. Tapos ito naman. Mga 9:30 na dito, guys. Nanood lang ako ng TV and then watching YouTube at the same time. Naghihintay ako ng 12 midnight fireworks sa London sa TV. Yeah, Happy New Year's, guys. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow, 2018.